Seeing such an amazing response on the previous video of Android customization, I decided to make the part 2 of it. Although this time it is not about customizing you can do inside the phone, but the way you can make your device look stand apart. So what are you waiting for? Hit the like button, sit back and let's get started. So in this video we'll be looking at the skins that gives your device a fresh new look. Here in India, it is hard to find a trusted skin seller, though I found this amazing brand named DC Skins, who are extremely great at their work. Although this video is not sponsored by them, but they were kind enough to send me some sample of their work. From the packaging to the actual skin, the feel is extremely top notch. I also happened to get some extra stickers too. The skins feel of premium quality and I got a customized one with a logo on the bottom of each skin. The procedure to apply this skin on your device is fairly simple and you also have a manual with the instruction to apply the skin. Firstly, clean up the backside of the device and then slowly start applying the skin on the device. Make sure you don't leave any bubbles while applying it. To make the edges firm, use a blow dryer. It removes the bubble and tightens the skin grip. Once done, you can go on to apply the skin for smaller parts like camera and the button. Once you're done applying skin for all the parts of your device, you immediately realize the difference of your phone looks. I will have the links to DC skins in the description box below. Go check them out. Well, that's it from this small video guys. This is Abhishek and I'll catch you in my next one.